Well, guys, so we'll just be talking about today water, water, water. Okay, what is the benefit of water? So, while just be a lot of what healthcare will be recommending, you will just be drink a 10 to 12 glass. Why they'll not be say we'll just be taking 5 glass of water in a day, drink 5 glass of water in a day. So I'm just be giving to all of these answers. So first of all, okay, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new. You'll just be get all notification of my videos. I'll just be make a video about skincare ingredient, grooming, and related. So one the major. Okay, so first I'll just be set my hair weight. Okay, we'll just we have to start. So majority people will be say about me, so water makes clear skin, so that's be true or not. So my answer is true, 100% true. Okay, water makes our skin clear. So water will be a lot of a benefit. You know what about our on health, on our clear skin, on our complexion. So it will be do a main thing and a main role in our skincare and be in our internal health. It will be a do a lot of a things. So you know what? So we'll just be drink a water in day. So majority people will not be know about water. So how much water will just be taken, and how much water will be improve our health, and how they'll affected on our health. So how water will be improve our system, improve our digestive system and liver function and blood function, and how water will be detoxify. So there will be a lot of a benefit of a water. Water will be what detoxify our body. When you will just be uh, uh, the healthcare will be recommended to all of them, all people. You will just be drink maximum 10 to 12 glass, because 10 to when you will just be taken a lot of amount, maximum 10 to 12 glass of water, you will just be provide a lot of amount to your body. So it will be what completely goes into your capillaries, arteries. It will be what travel around a large distance in your whole body, and then every toxin it will be flush out in your urine. So it will be such a nice detoxifying agent. And when you will just be drink a water, you will just be adding some lemon will be also work as a detoxifying agent, and it will be improve your stomach and liver function and digestive system, and it will be also kill your bad bacteria. It will be also antimicrobial, antibacterial property. So I'm just be drink a lot of water, so I'm just be adding a lemon in a bottle. So it will be also improve your complexion and be your skin. When you will just be facing a fine line wrinkle, when you will just be drink water every day, maximum 10 to 12, your wrinkle will be less appear, your skin complexion will be improved, and your skin tone will be improved. You will just feel yourself so energetic when you will just be when I am just be starting drinking water. So I'll just be try drink for 1 week. After 1 week I'll just be feel myself so energetic. My mind will be work too much fast, because it will make your new brain cell, it will be provide energy to your. So and my bodies will be feel so light. It will be also decrease your weight. When I'm just be check it out my weight will be decreased, so I'm just be so happy. So for this water will be also decrease your weight, and be what, but you will just be drink maximum 10 to 12. So this transparent H2O molecule a lot of benefits of a water. So water is a basic, and we what part of our body. So there will be a benefits of a water makes our skin clear. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new update. Okay, so have a nice day.